welcome to Crafty Purple Dragon channel. I've got a new setup that I'm trying out. I've got things tied up with string to get a more overhead view, although I think I need more height. But we'll see how things go. So, we've got this one, which is from the 28th. It's certainly tied up. Let's see if I can cut this end off and pull the bag. So, external packaging looks intact. It's a plastic mailer, unpadded. Come on, let me in. Boop, boop. Right, last side. Do I need to? Come on. Right, this is a little bit more tough than I thought it was going to be. Okay. See if I can pull this bag off. It's a pink box. I don't think I've had this kind of box before. Fashion diamond painting, DIY. It's a nice box. It's reasonably intact. There's a few dents on the ends, but that's quite good. Best way in is this. This is the top. Okay. There's some bendy tweezers, bags, tray, pen, wax. Different kind of bag from what you normally get. Okay. Okay. Look. Look, it's a cute little dog. I've got this as a present. Let's get the tape off so that this can relax while we look at the drills. Can I do this without cutting? Yes, I can. It's masking tape, so come off fairly easily. It's just a matter of finding the ends. And that's number 2. Okay. Right, I'll just let that relax for a minute. Let's empty out the drills. Okay, standard. Put the box there. Right, let's have a look in the book. It's alright, dog, don't panic, it just moved a little bit. Right, here it is. This is from a company called Regal Diamond Painting. The picture is called Sitting Pretty. Look at that cute doggy. So sweet. I ordered it on the 20th of March. Don't know when it was sent, but it was received on the 28th of March, so that's good. That's 8 days. It's a 40 by 40 centimetres. As far as I know, it's a full round. Now this cost me $32.72. The conversion was £25.79 once PayPal had converted it. So that's quite expensive for a 40 by 40, but I thought I'd give Regal a try because I've not used them before. I'm not sure where they're based. Regal Diamond Painting they're called. But I'm guessing they drop ship because the box is, you know, a standard Chinese type box. But that said, 8 days is good, you know, for a drop ship from China named Dog. That's original. It was called Sitting Pretty on Regal's website. Now there's a code here. Is that on here? Looks like it might be. No, it's different. Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Right, we'll have a look at that when we look at the canvas, but let's look at the drills first. So we've got an inventory sheet, which is good. Ooh, got one on the floor. Oh, I really need to vac up. My floor's full of beads and bits of God knows what. Right. Where's my glasses? Okay, so glasses, there they are. Gosh, there's 50 colours in this, jeez. 50 colour, good grief. Well, this is the most colours I've had so far as I know. Right, 150, one bag. Oh, they look like they might be in colour order, these. 152. 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six bags. 161. Ooh, not quite in colour order. That's a bit. Oh, here we go. 161. 2 bags. 168. 2 bags. Oh, that is 161. 168. 223. 2 bags. I should look at these. Oh, it's square. Why did I write round when it's square? Square. Oh. It's going to be a pain to do. 40 by 40 square. Jeez. Why did I get that? Why did I get that? See, since I've been having a lot with trashing, I'm trying to look at the beads to see if they look okay, but it's really difficult when they're in bags like this. You can't really see the trash until you get them out and you start actually using them. $3.10, 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 bags, but they don't look full bags, do they? You see how many's in those compared to these? They're not full, are they? So I think that's why I've got twice as much, because they've only put half the amount in the bags. It's a bit weird. So $3.10 is usually where we get the trash, isn't it? But, you know, it's hard to see. There's different colour beads in there. And there. Yeah, something wrong with the machine here. $3.10, $3.15, got $3.18. Is this $3.15? Oh no, this is $8.13. Don't think I've had an $8.13 before. Quite a nice aqua colour. $8.13, 3 bags. They've obviously been through and checked the colours off themselves, which is good. $7.82. One. $8.23. $8.24 times 4. $8.25. Some of these bags don't look filled properly. I don't know. 3.2. How many was on there? 8.233. No. 8.263. 8.253. 3, 2, 2, 3, 6, 8, 3, 2, 2 times 8, 2, 4, 6, I've got 8 and I needed 7. Three, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, some of these beads are looking miscoloured. Like, do you see that? Probably can't. Looks like a miscoloured bead in there. You can see it. Maybe it's a bit of oil or grease or something. It looks like it might have a bit of extra plastic on the edge. We'll see. Okay, can't read this. Rubbed off. Right, it's on this side. 844 times 3. 3, 3, 4. 931, I think that says. 1 packet. $349, 1 packet. $938.5. $3,840. One packet. 4, 3, 4, 2 packets. One, 9, 8. 2, 4, 6. I've got 8 and I need 6. Four, 3, 6, 5, 1, 7, 4, 3, 6, 5, 1, 7. It's 550. 6, 7, 6. 3, 1, 5, I think that is. One packet. Six, 4, 7. 7, 9, 7. 803. Quite a few different blues in this. A lot of shading in that cushion. Seven, 9, 9. 9, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6, 8. Bit of trash in there. Bit of trash plastic. These look there might be some bits, odd bits stuck on the edges of these tiles. I don't know if that's tell. Like I say, it's hard to see in the packets, but I'm checking just in case there's anything obvious. 976 636. Ooh, is that a hole? Ooh, that looks like a hole or a misshapen bead or something in there. There seems to be some sort of inconsistency with the fill on these beads. The machine's a bit glitchy maybe. 9774. Six, 4, 6, 2, 3721. 1, 3, 3, something 30, is it? 3, 3, 2, 8. Not sure. Oh wait. 3, 7, 7, 8. 1. 3807. 1, 3328. 1. This is what I thought that other one was. 3827. 3772. 5, I need 4. 3776. 3. 3041. 3064. 3743. Three, 7, 4, 3, 2. 3858. 3890. 80 3880. 386 38 something 3860 upside down. 3860. 3860 times 3. Three, 862. 3866. 3863. 'And last but not least, three, 857. 3857. 36. So this must be 3350. 3350. Right. 3350. Seem to be missing. Looks like I am missing 803, which is a bag of 3. I just dropped something off here. There's 803. 803. Didn't take it off. Okay, so there is a code. I shall check that against the canvas. So let's have a look at the canvas now. It's on a foam core. It's got a split cover sheet. Excuse me. Right, let's see how it is. Oops. Right. Bit of a bead there. Right, let's try this side first because this is the most rolled up end. So there's some rivers in the canvas, but it looks okay. That's the bottom half of the picture. Nail stuck then.
I'm reminding you, take tablets. I'm reminding you, take tablets.
Just do this side. That looks okay. Canvas is fine there. Alright, turn it round and do the other half. So this is going to be the top of the canvas, but it'll be upside down for you. So I'll open this end first, because it's the most rolled. There we go, this is the top of the picture. The canvas looks fine, there's a few ripples in it, but everything looks okay. Oh, so cute! Show you the drill field. It looks clear. Symbols look good. It's not focusing, is it? That should be in focus now. Interestingly, it does say Royal there. That's the logo off the website. The drill field looks good. I would say that these codes and these codes, the background is quite dark. I'll need a light pad for this. These should really have been in white symbol on a dark field, but they're clear enough, so a light pad will sort that out. Right, let's just close that up. Oh, this is well cute. This will be a Christmas present for my dog walker. She has Yorkies, and she does so much for me and my big huge dog, that because she's so paranoid and reactive, unfortunately I can't walk her because of my mobility issues, so I rely a lot on the dog walker. So she'll get that for Christmas. Right, let's copy that code down onto here. Check it's the same as this. RDP1220. RDP1220. Good. So that's that. Alright, dog, sorry I've wafted it over your head. So that was that from Royal Diamond Painting. I'll put a link in the information below. It took 8 days to get to me, which is really good. $32.72, or an equivalent of £25.79 for a 40 by 40 full square. And it's so cute. Okay, thanks very much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the notification bell with the little thingies either side next to the subscription button, so that you get notified of videos that I do. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for returning. It's very much appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.